So guys, he doesn't care about these. These aren't pets. That's just food and money for them and eggs. For us, we're rescuing these guys. He's picking them all up. Oh my gosh. 1,000 pieces. Look at these albinos. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we're backing everything up. We finally made it, guys. 10-hour drive, guys. We are here in Tallahassee, Florida, and we're checking out a massive sturgeon farm with my boy Predatory Fins, who's back there backing this big old puppy up. This place is absolutely insane. I can't wait to go ahead and show you guys what's going on. We got Paul Cafaro, Blake's Exotic Animal Ranch. My friends couldn't make it. The rest of the gang raw fishing and catch them all fishing. But with that being said, we're gonna have some fun. Be on the lookout for those hidden stickers, guys. And with that being said, it's time to go ahead and congratulate our winner of the last video. Congratulations to Christian Bracefield. Woo! Congratulations to you. You went ahead and won. Oh God. Oh God. You went ahead and won the shout out, guys. Like I said, be very attentive to this entire video, guys, because it's gonna be absolutely insane. Look at this driving. This driving is insane, dude. This is what you do when you want to go ahead and move some monster fish, guys. I have never been here. Rod picks up a lot of his sturgeon out here. I'm so excited to see what is on those tanks. Hey, buddy. Hey, what's going on? All right, over here. Come over here. We got to make sure we get out of the way. Hello, Paul. What's going on? You just woke up or something?
Yeah, heck yeah.
Bro, what a drive, right? What a drive. Look at this dog. Such a good dog.
Look at all the bugs in the front.
Oh, bro. Everything got slayed in the front, bro. It's pretty crazy. Dude, I'm so excited to see. Are you so excited to see something?
Right? Sturgeon.
Bro, sturgeon. So Rod's here is spectating. We are actually doing a massive chain right here. Paul's got the hose. Oh my God, I'm not even having fun, bro. I want to go look. I got to hold this stupid hose. So guys, what's happening here is this is what we're doing. We're filling this all up and we're transporting all these sturgeon. How many are we getting, bro?
Like 200?
2 million. So today, it's actually Secret Mission Impossible. We're gonna be filming here, and it's gonna be the craziest. Oh my God, this thing is massive. I can't even focus on it. Look at the giant. That thing is so big. Look at that. Oh my God. 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 Dude, that's a dream. Look how big they are back there, guys. Giants. Oh my goodness gracious, guys. So these fish here are bred for caviar. So what we're doing here with Predatory Fins, Paul and Blake, is that we're rescuing a few and we're gonna actually have them as pets with everybody else and share them with you guys. So this is absolutely insane. They're giants here. Absolute monsters. Like, let me see if I can get another shot. Now guys, the water clarity isn't the best, but here. Look at this giant. Look at that. So I want to go ahead and respect them, not upset anybody. So I'm going to go ahead and put my phone down, and it's going to be kind of hard to get as much footage as possible because everything that's going on, guys. So please bear with me. Guys, that is a monster sturgeon. It's hard to see because my camera's focusing on the fence, but that is an entire sturgeon. Look at him over there. Freaking giant. Here, guys, you can go ahead and have a better look. See if my polarized lens helps. They didn't help. But as you can see, they're giants. Absolute giants in here. Like, these are dinosaurs. Look at the fins and everything. Oh my God, guys. This is absolutely wild. Here we have a nice close shot of a dinosaur. Oh my God, that thing is like over 16 feet. Oh my God. That is so crazy, guys. What? Oh, my head. So it's very loud. How are you holding that? What you got in there? You got something in there? There's nothing? He's picking them all up. Oh my gosh. Go. Here's the net. Sorry, buddy. Here you go. I gotta hold the net. All right, I might not be able to get this. Hold on. Oh my God. Look at this. Freaking sturgeon. Dude.
Bro, monsters.
Monsters. What is this thing? Which one is that one? Those are diamonds?
Yeah.
Bro, this is gonna be crazy. We're looking for albinos. Oh, I need the net back. Bro, I'm just so excited. I'm so sorry.
Where's Paul? Paul disappeared?
Paul's at it. Paul's posting something. So guys, forgive me. Look at this thing. Go.
5 or 6?
6? 6. 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we're waiting here. There's albinos and stuff. Oh, he just throws them in there. This is insane. Here you go. Dude, that guy just throws them in there.
Right? It's crazy.
He just throws them like it's nothing.
Because they kill them.
Oh, that's true. So guys, he doesn't care about these. These aren't pets. That's just food and money for them and eggs. For us, we're rescuing these guys. And he's looking around to see what's going on. These are hundreds and hundreds of sturgeon tanks here. So there's albinos. What else are we looking for here?
I think they're all coming with us, right?
Dude, are you serious?
All of them.
Dude,
already, right?
6.
6 or 5?
6. 6.
Now, Saruga.
Saruga. Long nose. Whoa! Go, go, go. Oh, I need the net.
Yo, I kind of want one of the albino. Those are white.
They're super,
nice
super
yellow.
white. Bro, this is fire. Ready? Oh, that's 2. That's a Saruga. Look at that. It's Master Splinter. Bro! Come on. There you go, buddy. There you go. All right. Are you good with that?
Yeah, look at the fins on this guy.
What happened with this? No, we don't want that guy. We're gonna return that one. Dude, let's go ahead and examine this guy. Oh, long nose and everything. Look at that mouth. You see that?
Mama! Subscribe to Joey Slayum!
All right, we're gonna go ahead and let that one go. And so guys, what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm going to go ahead and surprise catch him while fishing with a beautiful albino sturgeon. His other sturgeon that he had before got napped by a raccoon. So I think he will appreciate a nice albino sturgeon. He loves white things, as you can see, and he loves albinos, period. I mean, hence, Kelly. Anyways, I love Kelly. Kelly, if you're watching, please don't give me grief. So with that being said, guys, I'm gonna go ahead, help these guys out. I'm gonna show some other clips of us moving those fish into the containers, and we'll probably meet you at home. Dude, those are so big. What are those, like 2.5 feet long?
Yeah.
Are you getting one?
Maybe, yeah.
Maybe. You good, bro?
Crazy.
Crazy stuff here. Crazy stuff. Here you go. Oh, this thing is huge. Oh, gosh. Bro, this thing's a whale. They're getting so much bigger. Look at these albinos. Wait, oh! What happened? We gotta go ahead and put this guy. There you go, albinos. So that gentleman was telling us that out of 20,000 eggs, you'll get 1 albino, which is kind of wild. It's insane, dude.
Insane. They're beautiful.
They're so gorgeous. So Blake is going ahead and manning these tanks right here. We have 4 of these tanks with albino sturgeon, which is wild. Paul ran away, guys. We lost Paul. I don't know where Paul went. It was nice knowing Paul, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Oh, you got me. So Slayers, we have this beautiful tank. Look at this platinum beluga. We gotta find a short body. There's short bodies in here, bro?
Yeah.
Dude, we have to find the short body. Guys, count how many albino sturgeon are in here and help us find the short body.
There it is.
Get him. Oh, there it is. Look at him. Net him. Come on, Blake. Yeah, boy. Look at that thing. Bro. Albino.
Sturgeon.
Short body sturgeon. We can't even speak because we're so
at that thing.
excited. Bro.
Wild.
What a freaking net job.
About to
dude.
go around the other side.
Oh, hey, bro. Hey, come on. Go. Get him. Oh, no, my shoes.
Yeah,
Good thing I got
short body.
We got it, bro. Yeah, we got it. We're good. Woo! Come on. Yeah. Look at this. It's fire. You're editing. Ah. Bro. What a net, dude. Bro, I gotta come up there. Hold on. Wait. Don't put them in yet.
Hurry up.
I'm coming. All right, made it.
Yo. How many you got there? 6.
6. Bro, let me see that short one.
Yeah, Joey.
Look at that. Oh, sorry, bro. Oh, we got more?
So that's 7, 8.
8, yeah.
I need 2 more.
3 more, isn't it? 3 more for 11?
10 is fine. That video can wait. What are we doing?
Awesome stuff. Come join us.
Alright.
Bro, what is this?
Sterling. Yeah,
Sterling?
jump in the truck over there.
Oh, okay, go. Whoa!
You see that Spider-Man?
Did you see that thing? That was wild.
Perfect.
Wow. That thing is gorgeous. Bro. Oh, hey. You're beautiful. What?
Short body, bro.
Boy, short body, big something. All right, Slayers. So we have all of our transports ready to go. There's albinos over there. There's Paul. We're getting everything set, good to go, and we'll be doing an update very soon on the other Splinter surgeons or the sturgeons. Oh, it's two more?
9 albinos or 10 albinos.
There you go. There you go. Almost done. So Slayers, what's in there? It's absolutely massive. It's a huge place. And that's where they actually keep the giants. Yes, the giants. They have to go ahead and keep it nice and cold. And it... Duh. Wait, you're leaving me right now? All right, well, like I was saying, they keep the giants there. But, I mean, I don't know. They're just leaving me. Don't leave me. Oh, God. Wow, Slayers, that's amazing. And with that being said, we're going to go ahead and head home. And I'll meet you at Predatory Fins. Well, Slayers, we made it back. It's actually 24 whole hours. It was a long trip. We made it back to with the sturgeon. I'm actually here unlocking this. All right, that's that. Did I get that one? All right, time to open up for these guys. They have all the sturgeon, everything we picked up. It's gonna be absolutely crazy. Oh, I gotta use the bubble. Oh wait, nope. I hit the gym a little bit. Here you go. Yeah. All right, we're gonna move some stuff over. There's the fish. What a freaking day. Hold up. Okay. You ready to do this, bro? Yeah. I understand. 24 hours later, we have Paul. He's ready to go. Jesus, Paul. Don't let go, bro. I hope you enjoyed this episode. We went ahead and added all the sturgeon. As you can see, the beautiful albino sturgeon. I believe we have the short bodies, which are, we gotta find it. Gotta find it. We might have find this. Can you help me find the short body? Oh, there he is. There is this beautiful short body right here, dude. That's amazing. There's something that's over there. We're probably gonna go ahead and come back and pick up Zach's and everything like that. But, oh, I gotta go ahead and show how many we got. But we have 1 billion sturgeon here for sale at Predatory Fins. What a rescue mission that was, my dude.
It was worth it.
It was 100% worth it. Yeah, I've been awake for about 48 hours, like I was saying, guys. So with that being said, don't forget to like and subscribe. Go ahead and hit the bell to get post notifications. This is what's going on. I'm here all the time. Are you guys here? So don't miss out. And guys, if you want to go ahead and get shouted out at the beginning of the next video, be sure to answer the following 3 questions correctly. Question number 1, what color were the stickers I used? Question number 2, how many stickers did I use? And question number 3, what kind of fish did we get today in today's Slay Venture? Don't forget to subscribe to my friends, Paul Cafaro. That's Paul. And don't forget to subscribe to Blake's Exotic Animal Ranch. And the number 1, the man with the plan, the guy who made all of this happen, Predatory Fins, guys.
Thanks for helping, bro.
Hey, man. Always, bro. Always.
We were in the wrong side of the truck. You know, I didn't get my leg touch your leg, but
Back at it again with the weird stuff.
Oh, there
I'll
he
see
is.
you in the next Slay Venture. Booyah.